Join me as I dive into this mind-blowing discovery of 3 suns in a solar system and see if I can explain it all in under 5 minutes. In a groundbreaking discovery that's sending shockwaves throughout the scientific community, Indian astronomers have made a historic find: a solar system containing not 1, not 2, but 3 suns. The implications of this discovery are enormous, and it's opening up new avenues for space science. For centuries, scientists have been fascinated by the complexities of binary star systems, where 2 stars orbit each other. However, the discovery of a tri-star system raises the stakes significantly, posing new and intriguing questions about the nature of gravity, star formation, and the potential for life in such systems. Understanding multiple star systems is challenging enough, but when you add a 3rd sun to the mix, the dynamics become exponentially more complicated. It's like trying to solve a cosmic puzzle with 3 massive pieces that need to fit together in harmony. The more we learn about these systems, the more we realize how little we know, and this discovery is a humbling reminder of the vast mysteries that still await us in the universe. As scientists delve deeper into the intricacies of this tri-star system, they'll be forced to re-examine their existing theories and models. The Indian astronomers who made this discovery used innovative methods to detect the 3 suns, including advanced spectrographic analysis and precise measurements of celestial motion. What they found was a system unlike anything we've seen before: 3 suns of varying sizes, orbiting each other in a delicate dance. One of the most fascinating aspects of this discovery is the unique properties of each sun. The primary sun is a massive, luminous giant, while the secondary sun is significantly smaller and cooler. The 3rd sun, however, is a mysterious, tiny companion that's orbiting the other 2 at an incredible distance. The reactions from the scientific community have been overwhelmingly positive, with many experts hailing this discovery as a game-changer for astrophysics. It's a testament to human curiosity and our ability to push the boundaries of knowledge. The significance of this discovery cannot be overstated. It's a reminder that the universe is full of hidden wonders waiting to be uncovered, and that our understanding of the cosmos is still in its infancy. So, what do you think about this incredible discovery? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you're as excited about space exploration as I am, be sure to check out our previous video on black holes.